In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the time from when you have joined Facebook into your profile in Facebook. So first click edit profile, then scroll down, and then at the details click edit. Then you want to scroll down here more. Then you will see this option down at the bottom right, at the bottom left, to check this like join Facebook option. So if you check it, it says it will show at the top of your profile and it's still public. So this is basically how you do it. Now you click save, then you go back, and this is how you add this detail about since when you joined Facebook into your profile. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.